So today, what we're going to do, as you can see, I've created a little map with some road on it. We're going to modify it so that when you set the boat down, it actually sets a car down. I don't know why my double click isn't working there, but that's alright. We're just going to go to player, hit the go button here. And as you can see, I have a car in front of me, so I can get inside of that. Drive around here. Come into this little house just to show that when you exit, the car is in the same place. Alright, and that's pretty much that. It cannot go on water like the boat used to be able to. It can, however, go anywhere that you can walk at a slightly faster speed. So let's get to making this.